How to create Twitter X ads for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create ads on Twitter, or should I say X, from scratch. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to get into Twitter advertising, this tutorial will help you launch your first campaign the right way. We'll go over everything from setting up your account, choosing the right objective, creating ad creatives, targeting the right audience, and optimizing your campaigns. Let's get started. Now let's talk about on what is X ads and why use it. Basically, Twitter, now known as X, is one of the most engaging platforms out there, especially for real-time content and news-driven audiences. Ads on X are perfect for driving traffic, growing awareness, and even boosting conversions. What makes X ads powerful is its targeting based on the interest, followers, keywords, and real-time engagement. So if you're a brand, a content creator, or an e-commerce business, this ad platform can be a great addition through your strategy. First things first, you want to go ahead and set up a Twitter ad account. First things first, let's navigate through this website called ads.twitter.com. And from here, just go ahead and log in using your existing X account. You'll be then asked of your country and your time zone. So in here, I've already logged in my account. So you just want to basically click on the launch a campaign option. Once again, you will be asked for a time zone or your country like this screen right here. So you can just go ahead and proceed with the right one. And right after that, you then want to click on the create your first ad option. Now you'll land on the Twitter ads dashboard from here, and you're ready to start building campaigns. Now if you don't have a business profile, no worries. You can go ahead and add or use a personal one, but ideally you should be using a separate business profile with your logo, bio, and website link. Now from here, you then want to go ahead and choose your campaign website. In here, you have your campaign details and you have your objective. In my case, it's going to be on sales, to promote our website and drive sales. Let's just go ahead and say that I have a store on Shopify that I want to promote, and I'm going to go ahead and make my objective sales. From here, you then have the name of the campaign right here. So I'll just go ahead and put a random name. And right after that, you then have the credit card. So you can add a credit card later, I believe. And in our case, right now, I'll just go ahead and click on the next button. But basically, if you want to customize more option, you can just switch to the advanced option right here. And this is what it will look like on the advanced option. We have the A and B testing in order for you to test your website. You have campaign budget optimization. And if you click on the advanced button, you then have the campaign spend cap. So if you click on next, we'll be taken to the ad group details right here. You can add the ad group details. You have the dynamic product ads. Basically what this does is drive sales by showing people relevant products from your catalog. You have the budget and schedule. You have your daily ad group budget. You have your total spend, and you have your start date right here. Now you can then go ahead and click on the run indefinitely until you run out of balance. And for delivery, we then have our goal once more. And below that, you have your conversion event. In here, we have purchase tracker, lead generation tracker, download tracker if you're using an Android device or Android application to promote. You then have the add to cart tracker. Once again, this is used for stores or e-commerce stores like Shopify. Below that, you then have the bid strategy. You have auto bid, which is highly recommended. It automatically maximizes your results at the lowest price. You have target cost, which set a target cost to maintain average cost per link click. You have maximum bid. Set the maximum you're willing to bid for each link click. And lastly, you have target for cost per acquisition, which is to set an action to maintain a consistent cost per acquisition. So I recommend setting it at the auto bid option. Right after that, you then have the pay by option. Just click on impersonation right here. You have your pacing, which is going to be standard. And lastly, you can then go ahead and insert your Android application if you have one. And below that, we can then go ahead and customize the X ads placement. So you have the home timelines, which will place the ads on their timeline. You have profile, search results, replies, and lastly, media viewer. And below that, you then have your demographics. So from here, you have gender, age, language, location. You also have some devices right here that you can go ahead and target. So for example, once again, if I am promoting my Android application, I don't want to go ahead and use some of my budget on the other application right here on other devices that won't benefit my ads. So you can just go ahead and maybe choose something like an Android or desktop, because some of the desktop users have Android devices. And from here, you can then go ahead and highlight the device model and more. Now, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. This is going to be the ad group details. And if we click on the next button, we will then be taken to the ad details, where we can customize the ad cover, your description for your ads, and everything that you need to do to basically create your ads perfectly. It's time for you to design your ads to go ahead and promote an existing tweet or create a new one. Now from here, what I suggest is uploading a clear image or video. You can use a short, bold caption, ideally under 100 characters. And lastly, you want a strong call to action like shop now, learn more, or sign up to get people clicking on your ads. Now, if you're having a hard time uploading or creating images for your ads, you can just go ahead and use something like Canva to go ahead and use or make an ad for your campaign. Now, Twitter X recommends using vertical videos for better mobile visibility and keeping videos under 15 seconds for higher engagement. From there, you can just go ahead and click on the next button once more, and you will be able to review and launch your campaign. Basically, once your ad is ready, you want to click on the launch campaign button, but your job doesn't end there. You then want to head over to the analytics dashboard to monitor your performance, like track impressions, engagement rate, clicks, and lastly, conversion. You want to post or edit underperforming ads to not waste money, and lastly, you want to scale the ones that are doing pretty well. You always want to test different versions of your ads to see what resonates best. And so that's it. You have successfully run your first ads on X or Twitter. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.